Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Zara and welcome to today's video. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make pizza. These are the ingredients that we use. There is olive oil and this is marinara sauce from Costco, onions, mushrooms, and this is the bread that we use. It's non-whole wheat. This one also comes in white as well. The topping that we use for this pizza is onions, mushrooms, and also some green chilies because I like it spicy, but you can always switch the toppings and add the choice of your topping, whichever topping you like. And the cheese we're using is mozzarella cheese. Yeah, so I really like this pizza and it's super easy to make it at home. You can also make just cheese for the kids. That's what we do. I like spicy and ramen as well, but for the kids we make cheese pizza. So this is, yeah, super delicious. I really like it. That's why I wanted to share with you guys as well. By the way, I'm just doing the voiceover. I am there, but my husband is making the pizza. The salt is optional. If you like, you can add it. Also, onion powder is optional as well. We like it. If you guys like it, you can add it. And as well as the green chilies, it's optional. If you like spicy, you can definitely add the green chilies. It's gonna make it super delicious. And the olive oil is just for once the pizza is done, then you guys can see we're adding the olive oil. That gives it extra taste, and yeah, olive oil is good for you as well. He's adding chili flakes. It's optional as well. I love it on the pizza. It tastes really good. So yeah, you can give this recipe a try. You will definitely love it. This homemade pizza tasted delicious. I loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. So I'll see you guys soon with the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.